did you have for dinner, SSG? Have you eaten your dinner? Naku, follow eh. What did you have for dinner? It's nighttime there, right? Let's see. 7-inch, hi, shall we? 7-inch. Good morning. Shall we 7-inch? Have a blessed day. Yeah, I did already. I already follow you 7-inch. I follow you back na. Momok. Uy. Ang na siya. Ang hanggat man. Len Yong Chen. Hi, Lian. Hello, Lian. Shall we, Lian? Good morning. Good morning. Oh, 7-inch. That's so ano. Wow. Oh my God. Ray, hi Ray. Oh my God, 7-inch. What's that? Hindi po ang gagawin ko sa meetup. Busy akong tao. Charot. Uy, dami viewers. Wala na. Ano naman yung kusik type? Ay. Boat sa Liking Kawayan. Concrete Cowboy, hi. Thank you for visiting my life. Shall we? Mapo. Ano kong kasi pasagado sa coffee. Sa coffee. Coffee sandwich. Welcome back, Sam. I don't have water here. Sam. NYC Guapo, hello. What's up, there? Edward, hi Edward. Shall we, Edward? Good morning. Going to have my coffee. My love, hello, my love. Edward, thank you for following. My love from the UK. Shall we, everyone? Ay, she's from Australia, fala. Follow you back na, Edward. Good morning, my love. I'm fine po. How about you? How are you today? Was your morning or afternoon? 7-inch. Thank you for tapping. Tap, tap, tap. Share, share, share. So Edward. Hello, Edward. Edward. I'm going to... thank you for that, glow stick. I appreciate it. Glenn. Hi, Glenn. Wala pong available dito. I'll go get some water. Go get some water. While lang, guys. Because I'm going to have coffee. That's why I'm getting some water. I'm gonna boil it. Shall I like to have some coffee with me, Mala? Yeah, have. Thank you for following. ID number. Oh, did I off my mic? I said I'm going to have coffee. SSG123, hello, welcome back. Thank you for tapping. I'm going to have my coffee. SSG. Do you like coffee in the morning, guys? So, I was thinking in the morning. You love coffee in the morning. I see it. I also love coffee in the morning because I'm a sleepyhead. Easily get sleepy. Show back the puwet. Sige, request pa yun yung arabay piso. Ay. I'm going to have some coffee now, guys. Um, Sonder Giuseppe. Sa man si 7 inch. La 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 la, keep hair back. I want to keep my hair back. May ano kasi may dress is ano ba, falling down. Falling down? So, it looks fine now. It's not fine. It's ano, broken. My clothes is, my top is broken. It's broken like broken. I'm going to have my coffee. Going to make my coffee. Then I'm gonna go clean the house. I see it looks fine in the camera, but in ano, it doesn't look fine. I'll go get some coffee. I'll go get some coffee. Shall we? Jen, thank you for staying. Thank you for staying. Oh, you're back again, SSG. Perez, ha? What's your name, SSG? You didn't follow me back ata, SSG. Let me see nga if we're friends na. I'm following you, bro. I'm going to have my coffee. Starman. That's your name, Starman. Thank you for tapping. Ay, puta. Ayan, kape. Your name. Oh my God, you are my love from the star. Thank you for tapping, everyone. I'm done making my instant coffee. Mwah, 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 mwah. It's so hot. My coffee is so hot, just like me. Ay. No, SSG. You want to have a sip of my coffee? Or me? Ay. Where are you from, SSG? You're from my heart?